Hey y'all, welcome back to the season 4 premiere of YOLO Texas.
Alright, so we are pulling up to this place called Munchies. Hopefully they're gonna have some delicious, refreshing snacks for us. Sounds good to me.
My friend Jill here has never had a Mangonada, so never, no, but I've heard so much about it. So we came here, yes.
Can I help with that?
So one Mangonada, por favor.
One Mangonada.
And I will have a fresanada, please. Should be delicious.
Ooh, thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
So pretty.
All right, this looks great.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, salud.
What are you looking forward to for season 4?
Season 4, I'm excited to just explore new places.
Yep.
You know, because
So
we
many more
are
places.
located in San Antonio, it's easier for us to get kind of sucked into Central Texas. I love that our audience is growing and giving us recommendations too. So
Yes.
that's always fun, just interacting
All
and then
the time.
seeing what they recommended and going out there and why they love it and seeing it for our own eyes. So
Yeah.
I'm pumped to see new places.
I just love how different every city is and every part of Texas. It's truly so different. Texas is such a unique state in the fact that, I mean, you have the
fact that
coastline.
it's better than all
Every
the
other,
ones.
yeah. I mean, you have the coastline. You have like the pine tree forest, like
East
going out
Texas.
East Texas. I mean, North Texas, you've got beautiful areas like Paladuro Canyon.
Yeah.
I think West Texas is just like, that's the area that we need to like hit up next.
Yes.
Where else do you want to go in Texas that you haven't experienced?
Terlingua, I have not been to Terlingua.
Yeah, I've been to Terlingua. AC and the crew has been to Big Bend, which was amazing. It was an epic trip for them.
So cool.
Going to Terlingua was still
Dude.
easily one of my favorites.
All the hosts, it's so funny because every time I ask them, like, where's one place you want to go? I feel like all of them are like, the ones that have not been out there are like, I want to go to Terlingua and I want to go to the chili cook-off like JB did. So
Yeah, I think my bucket list now would be to try to make it out to, I would love to have an opportunity to get to Guadalupe Mountain National Park.
yeah.
Obviously, like El Paso and that area too. So.
Yeah.
I'm excited to go to a lot of different areas, parts of Texas that I haven't been from sports. I also haven't been to the coast either. I haven't been to the coast? I'm such a beach girl and I haven't even been to the beach here in Texas. So that's probably number 1 on my list.
Been to Padre, yeah.
I haven't been Padre. I've heard so much about Port A. I've heard so much about these beautiful island escapes almost on the coast. And that is number 1 on my list for sure for season 4.
Speaking of lunch, you go hit up Whataburger right now. Yeah. What's your, do you have a go-to Whataburger meal?
Number 1 all the way, toasted bun, Diet Coke. And I like the regular ketchup the best.
Not the spicy ketchup.
I mean, I'll do spicy, but I really like the regular fancy
Nice.
ketchup.
Whataburger! We made it!
Do you remember my order?
A number 1 all the way.
all the way, toasted bun, Diet Coke.
Okay. This was fun.
This is a lot of fun.
We're gonna take a little break and eat some.
This is yours.
Whataburger!
Isn't it so cute? I just love the design and everything of Whataburger. Let's catch it.